Hey everyone, today I will be showing you 3 best text-to-image AI generators you have to try other than Midjourney. Midjourney has undoubtedly been a dominant force in the realm of text-to-image generators, holding the crown as the most popular tool in this category. However, in today's discussion, we are setting aside the Midjourney spotlight to introduce to you the 3 promising contenders that could potentially dethrone Midjourney in the future. These platforms have been rapidly evolving, releasing updates that enhance their capabilities and features, making them formidable competitors. Our primary objective today is to put these platforms to the test. We will subject them to the challenge of generating images from a complex and demanding prompt, providing us with a unique perspective on their abilities. By the end of this comparison, we aim to determine which tool stands out as the most proficient in producing high-quality images. So, I encourage you to stay with us until the end of this journey to witness the intriguing results of our comparison. But before we dive into things, if you have an interest in staying up to date with the latest AI tools and discovering how to use them proficiently, you are in the correct spot. This channel is committed to delivering informative content and user-friendly tutorials. We kindly ask for your support by considering a subscription. Now, let us get started. Let's begin our exploration with Lardo AI, our first creative tool. Get ready to embark on a journey of imagination with Lardo AI. To unlock its creative potential, click on AI Image Generation, located in the left menu. Here, you will find the tools and features you need to bring your artistic ideas to life. One of the key strengths of Lardo AI is that it offers you the flexibility to craft your ideas in your own unique way. You can control crucial aspects like image size, aspect ratio, and more. These customization options ensure that your creations match the precise vision you have in mind. Lardo AI also comes equipped with advanced tools such as Prompt Magic V2 and Transformative Alchemy. These tools open the doors to an elevated level of creativity, allowing you to explore new horizons in your artistic endeavors. Keep in mind that while many features are available, some may require an upgrade to access it. Crafting an image is straightforward. Describe your vision. Fine-tune it with tools like Prompt Magic version 2. Choose from 2, 4, or 6 prompts. Click Generate. And watch with wonder as Lardo AI transforms your concept into a vivid reality. Be aware that free accounts offer a generous 150 token limit, allowing you to conjure multiple creations. With Lardo AI, the possibilities are boundless, and your imagination is the only limit. Let us move on to our next remarkable tool, Dolly Tree, within the Bing Image Creator. Dolly Tree stands out as a true innovator in the realm of text generation, surpassing its predecessors like Midjourney and even outshining many other models from the past. Once you're on the dashboard, pay attention to the credits next to the text box. These are the lifeblood of efficient image generation. You can accumulate more credits by actively participating on the platform, and with each prompt consuming just 1 credit. Even if you are here for a casual hobby or some fun experimentation, your credits are unlikely to run out too quickly. The defining feature that truly distinguishes Dolly Tree is its user-friendly nature. It proudly represents a prompt generator that enables you to use natural language when interacting with it, eliminating the need for intricate prompts or specific keywords. It is like having a conversation with a friend. Simply type your request into the prompt text box, and Dolly Tree gets to work, making the process as straightforward as possible. The last tool I have come across recently is Adobe Firefly, and I must say, I am thoroughly impressed. This platform stands out due to its user-friendly approach and a wealth of customization options. In the text box, you will enter your prompt, and this is where your creative journey begins. You are not restricted to one-size-fits-all approach. Adobe Firefly allows you to customize your content's aspect ratio, giving you full control over the dimensions and how your final image or video will appear. Moreover, you have the choice between a photo or art style, which means you can tailor your creations to your specific needs. This flexibility is a boon for content creators who require consistency or wish to experiment with different styles. But here is where Adobe Firefly takes it up a notch: matching image style. You can pick a reference image from their gallery or use one from your own collection. This feature enables you to maintain a consistent look and feel across your visuals, which is particularly important for branding or thematic continuity. What's more, Adobe Firefly offers an array of photo settings that allow you to fine-tune your photo results. You can manually adjust settings such as aperture, shutter speed, and field of view, giving you precise control over the look of your content. This level of fine-tuning is fantastic for creators who have a specific vision in mind and need to ensure their content aligns with their artistic or branding goals. In conclusion, Adobe Firefly provides a remarkable blend of user-friendliness and control. Whether you are a professional content creator or just someone looking to have fun with AI-generated content, this platform offers a versatile set of tools to bring your creative ideas to life. With a broad range of customization options, it is a valuable addition to the toolkit of any content creator. Now, let us now embark on a thorough comparison of the outcomes produced by these three remarkable text-to-image tools. I'd like to emphasize that while we aspire to achieve the same style, aspect ratio, and other parameters, these platforms have their distinct differences that shine through in the generated images. We aim to create images with a realistic touch, but I did not employ any negative prompts provided by each platform to observe their raw capabilities. Our prompt for this test was Earth after human extinction, a new beginning, nature taking back the planet, harmony, peace, earth balance, realistic. In all honesty, the AI image that impressed me the most is from Dolly Tree. The difference is quite evident, isn't it? Despite the complexity of the prompt, Dolly Tree delivered a fantastic image. The quality is outstanding. Lardo AI and Adobe Firefly also perform admirably. But there is something about Dolly Tree's creation that resonates with me. It truly captures the essence of our prompt, portraying the concept of a new beginning and nature reclaiming the planet. It is, by my assessment, the best of the three. Now, I am eager to hear your thoughts. Among these three text-to-image platforms, which one stood out to you the most? Considering our comparison with the intricate prompt, which outcome appealed to your preferences? Have you had the opportunity to experiment with these text-to-image AI generators? If so, which one would you suggest to others? Your perspectives are incredibly important, so please feel free to share your insights in the comments section below. I am enthusiastic to read and engage with your viewpoints. If you want to understand these AI tools more, I have made videos that show you how to use them. So, if you are curious and need easy instructions, just watch my videos. They will help you learn and create cool images. Thank you for watching, and again, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. I hope this video helps you out, and I would love to see you in the next video.